Hello students, today we will start with first chapter, that is electric charges and fields. This chapter is divided in two parts. Number one is electric charges and second part is the fields. Okay, so today we have to discuss regarding electric charges. So first of all, what is the meaning of electric charge? So electric charge, here the definition is given. It is fundamental property of matter due to which it produces and experience electric and magnetic effect. Okay. So matter, any matter, if it is charged, then it can experience electric force. Suppose we have two particles. Okay, this is particle number 1, this is particle number 2. There can be force of attraction, electrical force of attraction or repulsion between these two particles only if both of them are having charge. Suppose I am having one electron, one proton. Then you know that there is a force of attraction between electron and proton. If I am having two protons or two electrons, then there will be force of repulsion among them. So we can say that electric charge is the cause of electric force. If electric charge is not there, then there cannot be electrical force. About SI unit. SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb. From the name of scientist Coulomb, its unit is symbolized by capitals. Dimensional formula of electric charge is A1T1, and remember that it is a scalar quantity. Okay. Now all of you know that there are two types of electric charge. One is positive, another is negative. Also all of you know that like charges repel each other, while unlike charges attract each other. You might have studied that presence of electric charge is detected with help of a device known as electroscope. So electroscope is a device used to detect presence of electric charge. Now let's understand construction and working of gold leaf electroscope. Here, this is the diagram of gold leaf electroscope. It consists of an insulated box. This is the insulated box. In this, through upper wall, a metallic rod is passed through this rubber gasket. This rod is attached with a metal knob at the upper end, and at the lower end two leaves made from golds are attached. That's why it is known as gold leaf electroscope. Now how it works? We know that electroscope is used to detect whether the given body is charged or not. So suppose I want to check whether this body is having charge or not. So I have to touch this body to this metal knob. Okay. Now if this body is charged, the charge from this body will pass through the metal knob and it will pass through this rod. All this charge which is passed, it will distributed on these leaves also. So what will happen? Both the leaves will have same charge. Suppose this body which is touched here is having positive charge. So what will happen? The positive charge will transfer through the metal knob and it will pass on this leaves also. So now both the leaves are having positive charge, and we know that the like charges repel each other. So what will happen? These two leaves will repel each other. So this leaves get separated. So the situation will be so the two leaves gets separated. The amount of charge the body is having will be detected using the separation. If body is having more charge, the separation will be more, and body is having less charge, separation will be less. In this way, this electroscope can detect the presence of charge, as well as we can get the idea regarding the amount of charge. Now we have to discuss regarding classification of the materials. We will classify the material on the basis of their resistance. See, any material is there, we can classify them in three different parts: conductors, insulators and semiconductors. You know that conductors offers very low resistance. That means electricity can pass through them very easily. While insulator offers very high resistance, so electricity cannot pass through them. And semiconductors are the material which offers resistance greater than that of conductor but lower than that of insulator. That means they offers intermediate resistance. Okay. Now examples. Examples of conductors are all metals, earth, human body, animal body, all of them are conductors. While glass, plastic, nylon, wood, porcelain, all of them are insulator. Example of semiconductors are germanium, silicon and other. Okay. So this is classification of the material.